In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your game or games is not using the GPU on your Windows 11 computer. So if you have an integrated and a dedicated graphics card on your computer, then sometimes what can happen is your game ends up using the wrong GPU. Now, there's actually a nice and straightforward solution to this, and that's just to head over to the Start menu on your computer and search for Settings. Then you need to click on the Settings window, and from the left-hand side, select System. Then click on Display and scroll all the way down and select Graphics. So the first thing you need to do is click on Change Default Graphics Settings and make sure you have Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling turned on, like so. And then you can press the back arrow to come back to the previous window. Now, the second thing you need to do is make sure your application is added to this list here. So if you don't see your application in this list, you can add it just by clicking on the Browse button like so, and you'll need to locate the executable file. Now, this will all depend on where you save the game to, but usually it will be somewhere in your C drive underneath either Program Files or Program Files x86. Now, once you've added your application to this list down here, you can see I have all my applications. All you need to do is click on it like so. So let's say, for example, League of Legends. Then we need to select Options, and what you'll notice here is we have two options for the GPU. Now, if it's on power saving mode, it's going to use my AMD graphics card. But let's say I want to use my NVIDIA graphics card, my dedicated one. Then all you simply need to do is select the option for the graphics card that you want to use. In my case, it's going to be high performance, and then press save to save all these changes. And now if I launch up League of Legends, that's going to be using my dedicated GPU. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.